Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve this nice logarithm equations? We have the square root of ln x equals ln root x. And to find the value of x here, we're interested to find all the possible values of x. One thing we have to note here is x is greater than or equals 1. That is, the solution here is x can be 1 or the value greater than 1. Then how can we obtain this? It's very simple. By considering the solution from here, as the question says, the square root ln x equals ln square root x. So the first step we are going to obtain here is by considering the rule of logarithm. But first, this root x is the same thing as x to the power of 1 over 2. And if we have the logarithm of either you use this log or we use ln, though this one is natural logarithm, so this one is ordinary logarithm. So by focusing on that, we have ln a raised to the power of n. This equals n ln a. So applying it, we have square root ln x equals the ln of x to the power of 1 over 2. Then, introducing this law at this stage, we are going to have the square root of ln x equals 1 over 2 ln x. So next, let's take the square of both sides. We have the square root of ln x raised to the power of 2 equals 1 over 2 ln x raised to the power of 2. So for square root and square, they cancelled. Here at this side we have ln x equals, so 1 over 2 we take squared, and that one becomes 1 divided by 4. Then we have this as ln x raised to the power of 2. Here, let's let ln x equals y. By letting it, we have y equals 1 over 4, then multiply by, if this is ln x and it's having square, that is y raised to the power of 2. Then, to get the value of y, we are going to transfer this, and here we have y minus 1 over 4y squared equals 0. And what is common here is y. By factoring out y, we have y bracket 1 minus 1 over 4y equals 0. So therefore we have y here equals to 0, or we have 1 minus 1 over 4y equals 0. So here we are going to get y here equals to 4, because if y equals to 4, everything here becomes 0. There are two values, y equals 0 and y equals 4. And we now recall from where we let ln x equals y. So at y equals to 0, we have ln x here equals 0. And the value of x that make this side equals to 0, so it's just like when we have ln x equals ln of 1. So ln 1 equals 0. So cancelling ln, it shows that our x here equals 1. So here is the first values of x, and also if you have ln x here equals y, and that y here, that is 4. Introducing e to both sides, which is exponentials, so we are going to have y equals e raised to the power of 4. And actually this is x equals 1 and this one is x greater than 4, because the value of e is something approximately 2.72 and others like that. So this is how we get this problem. We have x equals e raised to the power 4 and x equals 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.